In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Veed Video Editor. We'll start inside the main editor so you can get comfortable with the layout. In the center of the screen, you'll see the canvas, also called the preview. This is where you watch your edits as you make them. Everything you change in your project will show up here in real time, so keep an eye on this area to see how your video is coming together. Along the bottom, you'll find the timeline. This is where all your clips, audio, images, and other elements are arranged in order. Think of it as the storyboard of your video. You can zoom in and out, and you'll see each clip represented as a block that you can move, cut, or trim. On the left side, there's a toolbar. This is your main creative hub. From here, you can add text, subtitles, music, transitions, templates, and more. Anytime you want to bring something new into your project, you'll usually start from this left panel. At the top, you'll see a menu for project settings and exporting. When you're finished editing, this is where you'll go to finalize and download or share your video. To add a video, look at the left toolbar and click on the video option. You'll see choices to generate a video, upload your own files, or browse from Veed's stock video library. Once you've found what you want, simply drag and drop the video onto the timeline. You can repeat this to add multiple clips and build out your full sequence. To trim or cut clips, click once on a clip in the timeline to select it. Then hover over either end of the clip until you see a resize handle. Drag the edges inward to shorten it and remove unwanted parts from the beginning or end. If you want to cut out a section in the middle, move the playhead to the spot where you want to make a cut and use the split or cut tool. You can then delete or move that section as needed. To add transitions and animations, first select a clip or a text element on the timeline or canvas. Open the Animations tab. From here, you can apply entrance and exit effects or transitions between clips to make your video flow more smoothly and look more polished. You can also enhance your edit with music, images, and effects. Use the left sidebar to upload your own music tracks or choose from stock audio. You can add stock images or videos, insert emojis or shapes for visual interest, and apply filters and effects to change the look and feel of your footage. You can also adjust playback speed if you want slow motion or time-lapse style effects. If you're creating content for social media, it's important to get the sizing right. Look at the bottom of the preview window and find the floating toolbar. The first dropdown lets you change the aspect ratio. Here, you can quickly switch to 16.9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, Reels or Shorts, and 1.1 for square posts. The canvas will update so you can reposition elements to fit the new format. When you're happy with your video, it's time to export. Go to the top right corner and click Done. Choose your preferred quality and resolution, depending on where you plan to upload or share the video. Then export and either download the file or share it directly online through the options provided. And that's it. You've learned the basics of using Veed Video Editor. Navigating the interface, adding and trimming clips, using transitions and animations, enhancing your video with media and effects, resizing for different platforms, and finally exporting your finished project.